Are you ready to become a garden guru? Let's dig into gardening tactics that promise growth. Starting a garden isn't just about putting seeds in dirt. Pre-planting and post-planting tasks can make or break your success. Let's explore these tips together, one step at a time. First, assess your space and sunlight. Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. Check for shady spots. Use a light meter if necessary. Next, test your soil. Grab a soil test kit from a garden center. This tells you pH and nutrient levels. If it's too acidic, add lime. Too alkaline? Add sulfur. Easy. If you need a DIY solution, here it is. To determine if your soil's pH is too high or too low, you can perform a simple DIY test at home. 1. What you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, 2 small containers or cups, and a sample of your soil. 2. Step 1. Take a small amount of your soil and place it in one container. 3. Step 2. Add a half cup of vinegar to the soil. If it fizzes, your soil is likely alkaline, too high pH. 4. Step 3. In another container, take another small amount of soil. 5. Step 4. Add a half cup of water to moisten the soil, then sprinkle a couple of tablespoons of baking soda on top. If it fizzes, your soil is likely acidic, too low pH. This simple test will help you gauge if you need to adjust your soil's pH for optimum plant growth. Don't forget to choose the right plants. Read seed packets for planting depth and spacing. Some plants need width, like cucumbers. Others thrive in tight spaces, like radishes. Now, let's transition into planting. Loosen the soil and create rows using a garden hoe. This helps roots grow strong. Make sure your seed depth matches recommendations on the packet. Follow up with watering. A gentle sprinkle daily helps seeds germinate. Overwatering drowns them, so watch closely. If you're enjoying these tips, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more. We want your gardening adventures. Share your planting tips in the comments. We love hearing from you. Once your plants are up, it's time for post-planting tasks. Start with mulching. This keeps moisture in and weeds out. Straw or wood chips do wonders. Next, consider companion planting. Some plants boost each other's growth. For example, plant tomatoes with basil for better flavor and pest control. Always monitor for pests. Use organic methods like neem oil. It's safe for plants and effective. Or, use colorful flowers to attract beneficial bugs. Remember, patience is key. Gardening isn't always instant. It takes time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So, to recap, assess your sunlight, test your soil, choose the right plants, and plant with care. Water carefully, apply mulch, and watch out for companions and pests. Now it's your turn to grow. Get your spade and start digging. Your thriving garden awaits. Or you can check out some of our other videos and playlists. Happy planting!